This is ŠKODA Auto's first fully autonomous robot which is able to learn. The company has started now using it at the ŠKODA AUTO Vrchlabí plant. The compact autonomous transportation system increases the efficiency of transporting parts between the measuring center and processing machines. And it contributes to increased efficiency and safety at the plant. This is yet another sign of the plant's position as a state-of-the-art high-tech and technology location. The autonomous robot can transport a load of up to 130 kilograms and chooses the correct routes fully autonomously. Contrary to conventional driverless transportation systems, it does not require lane guidance in the form of induction loops or magnetic strips, and does not need reflector guidance. To learn the route, the robot only needs to be guided between the stations once by tablet or joystick. It observes its surroundings and learns the rights of way. It can recognize changes in its environment by itself and adjust its route accordingly. The increasing production numbers at ŠKODA Auto translate to higher occupancy rates for the plants and more traffic in the production areas. The autonomous robot contributes to the continuous increase of work safety in Vrchlabí and helps to minimize work risks. Sophisticated state-of-the-art technology enables the robot to navigate its environment. Using sensors and laser scanners, it recognizes vehicles and stationary objects, as well as people crossing its path. The control system calculates the approach speed and detects if a collision is imminent, in which case the robot stops automatically or takes evasive action by itself. On its route between the mechanical measuring center and the processing machines, the robot completes 120 trips a day, traveling a total distance of 35 kilometers. The testing and pilot phases have already been completed. Operation in the series production hall, which covers 16,000 square meters, starts in June 2018. Digitalization of products and processes is one of the cornerstones of ŠKODA's 2025 strategy. With this program for the future, ŠKODA Auto is preparing itself for future changes in society and the automotive industry. E-mobility, autonomous driving, and digitalization represent the most important milestones of the company's future.
ŠKODA. Simply clever.